Are you sure this fish is normal size?
Shy.
Normal size for a giant, maybe.
Wow, this one's a real beauty, isn't it? Yeah. Make sure to get under the gills really well.
Almost ready for the towels.
Why do I feel like the fish is watching me?
Is that what I see next way?
Is this batter or pancake mix?
Whisk faster. Crispy depends on you.
If it drips slow, we win.
Okay, gently, don't anger the oil.
Listen to that sound, that's happiness.
Golden, not burnt. We're not monsters. Let it rest, even fish needs a break. No touching, it's cooling emotionally. Oh, this is looking so good.
I know, I can't wait to try these.
Almost done with my batch. These fries are longer than my patience.
1 more minute or 1 more miracle.
If it crunches, we celebrate. Don't be shy with the salt. Vinegar first, confidence later. British people just felt this. Worth it. I would fry this again. Next time, double fries. Okay, who ate my last piece?
Tiny kitchen, big appetite. Fish and chips, but make it miniature. See you at the next bite.